Hey there, it's Rafael Cintron here. In this video, I'm going to show you a store that is making almost $1 million a month, confirmed more than $500,000 per month on Shopify that follows a very close strategy to what we get our students to follow to get results for their Shopify store. For example, we just had a student, Salvador, who crossed $2,000 in a single day. He's been struggling for years now with dropshipping, trying to get a Shopify store going. He started working with us a couple of months ago. Now he's scaling up to that level of 2,000 per day, 50,000 per month. And obviously we want to get him to that 6-figure per month level, which is his goal. Now, this particular store that I'm going to show you, I'm not going to tell you to just copy it. Take what they're doing, go and sell it yourself. Take the product and go and sell it yourself. This is for a presentation. This is to show you what works in the real world, what type of ads work for this particular company, so you can learn and apply it to your business, not just steal it and go and copy it. Let's go. And just a very quick note before we start and I show you the store, if you want to learn exactly how to grow your Shopify business to the next level, just like Salvador, to get to that point of $1,000, $2,000 per day, I'm actually going to be teaching everything for free over a 5-day live Shopify training course that we have. It's all complete for free starting September 14. All you got to do is go to 5daystraining.com or just click that first link down in the description. You'll be redirected to the training group. Apply for the group and we'll accept you when we start the training on September 14. All right, this is the store. It's called Nano Toothbrush Shop. And as you can see, Discover True Teeth Cleaning. And it's basically a toothbrush. They call it the Nano Toothbrush. Again, if you're gonna sell this product or you're gonna just copy them, please do not name it the same. Please do not try to look like them. I do not want you to get sued or anything bad happening to you, specifically if you're watching this video. So what they sell is a toothbrush that can essentially clean better than traditional toothbrushes that are sold out there. It is an extremely saturated, quote unquote, niche because so many big companies, billion-dollar companies, sell toothbrush. And it's a very convenience product. You can just go to the store and buy a toothbrush very easily. But this company has disrupted that market and gained a lot of sales through just selling a toothbrush that is different, cleans better, it's also eco-friendly, and it's just overall a better toothbrush experience. It also doesn't damage your teeth, so it's actually really good. Extremely soft brush, Nano Toothbrush. They actually sell it very cheaply. Have you used a toothbrush with over 10,000 bristles? So also very magnanimous, very big in their words, like 10,000 bristles. So many little bristles to clean your teeth. Brighten your smile with healthy white teeth. With 2,000 ultra-fine bristles, you can deeply clean your teeth every corner. They also use very clever graphics that show you the product inside, sort of like going into a microscope and showing you the product here. They also have really nice graphics and presentations and videos that show you the difference between a regular toothbrush and the toothbrush that they sell. So for example, this one, they're putting it over an egg and it doesn't actually break the egg. The traditional toothbrush breaks it very easily. It's sort of like mimicking how your mouth feels with a regular toothbrush. Ultra dense and soft bristles. Really nice graphics here. And it's basically a one product store for this particular toothbrush. If you go to the actual product page, this is what it looks like. They're running ads to this page right here with the reviews on the bottom. So it's just a traditional Shopify store with a nice product page for a one product store. Now, I do not recommend running one product stores from the beginning. That is why so many people fail with one product dropshipping and one product stores. They just think, hey, because I found this product or because I saw this product and I think it's cool, that means that the market is also going to think that and they're going to buy it from me. Specifically beginners, they just take a product that is doomed to fail in the beginning or not really battle tested out there with ads and they go and create a one product store. It doesn't work and then they think dropshipping doesn't work. The better strategy is instead of going and selling just one product like this company, you want to test multiple products first. That is what Nano Toothbrush, actually I found the store that they were testing before and they were testing multiple products, not just this one. They were testing multiple dropshipping products, seeing which one did the best, seeing which one had the best results. Then they went and they honed in on the one that actually got them the best results, the actual toothbrush, the Nano Toothbrush. They branded it, created a one product store of it, and made it absolutely beautiful. That is the way that you should do one product stores, one product dropshipping if you want to get the best results. Test some products, focus on a niche, on a particular market or a particular type of people, and then once you have a product that gives you the most potential or the one that shows the best results overall, then you focus on that one and you scale it up to the point of, if we check here on sales source, click analyze store. Let's see how much money this particular store is making. It's gonna surprise you. Monthly revenue, 494,000 all the way up to 988,000. Why I put 500K on the particular title here of the video, it's because that's the one that I can confirm that it's 500K. Maybe they're at 700, 800, I don't really know. I don't know the owners. I really haven't looked at their back end, but what I do assume is that it's around the 500,000 per month level, absolutely crushing it just after a year. When you see stores like this that are one product stores that are hitting these numbers, it's not because they just chose a product that magically started selling or they were lucky, is that they tested a lot of products, they got a lot of experience, they narrowed down on the one that worked and they took it to the next level. Really quick note, just want to congratulate Aljash, don't really know how to say your name, from Slovenia. You've won the 0 to 60,000 per month case study that I did with my student Ryan. We show you the products, the ads, and the whole strategy. Make sure to let me know your email so I can send it over to you. And if you want to win the case study for this particular video, all you got to do is comment down below your country or your city where you're watching us from. We're a global community, people all over the world. Subscribe, hit that notification bell and that like button, and I'll pick a winner from this video. Now let's look at their ads that they're running. They have multiple pages on Facebook actually running ads for this particular product, but this one is the one with the most engagement on each particular ad. So let's look at it. We can narrow it down by United States. For example, this one is doing extremely well for them. The softest toothbrush ever created with over 10,000 ultra fine bristles. I always tell my students to go for really crazy headlines or things that they're not really claiming something, no health, no crazy claims, because you don't want to get banned from Facebook, but something that really sounds like it's next level. It's not just a toothbrush that cleans better, it's the softest toothbrush ever created, something next level. When people look at this ad, they think, wow, softest toothbrush ever, I gotta check this out. And they watch a video right here, whole new brushing experience, introducing the Ultra Nano Toothbrush, and they show the product really, really well. They also present it really well. Highly recommend you do this with the products that you're selling, present it while somebody is using it, and also compare it to other products in the market. If you're selling a product that solves a solution or solves a problem better than another product, highly recommend you compare them in your video. Don't do before and after or anything like that, no big claims, but do compare it to other ones. Like for example here, without Nano Toothbrush and with Nano Toothbrush. It doesn't actually break the egg. Creates a foamy lather, so it also helps you just clean better overall. Then they're also using retargeting ads really, really well. I've been following their store for about a month now, and they retarget me every single day with the same exact ads. This toothbrush feels amazing on my teeth and gums. I can totally see the difference in my teeth. Samantha P. We don't even know if it's a real person. And then it says use code SAVE10 to get 10% off. Highly recommend you do this with your store as well. Once you run cold targeting ads or just interest targeting ads, once you get that data, highly recommend you run a retargeting ad with a coupon code just like this one, 10 or 15% off. You don't want to go crazy and offer like 50, 70% off. So for example, use code SAVE10 to get 10% off, and then a review on the top and just an image of the product. Sometimes people, when they see your main ad, they already know who you are. Specifically, they click on it and they actually add to cart or check out on it. They know what it is, they know what they're getting, and then on the top, it's just a review for that social proof aspect of, hey, somebody else bought this, they had a good experience, I'm gonna have a good experience as well, and then the coupon code so they can go and buy it. The same thing happens with a lot of their other ones. This one actually is the same video, and this one is a different video here. Covers more surface than your regular toothbrush, 10,000 bristled wave design, effectively cleans teeth without irritation. So also digging deep into why people have problems with toothbrushes is something that this company has done a lot. They really go into, okay, what is the current solution to people cleaning their teeth? Obviously, normal toothbrushes. What are the problems with those toothbrushes? Okay, this, and this. Let's solve that, and let's really highlight that in our ads. Same thing I want you to do with your ads for your store. I want you to really look at, hey, what are the problems people have with this product? what are the questions people have, what are the objections people have, and then go deep into, okay, let me solve those things, or let me actually present it in a way that shows that our product can solve those problems. And then on the top, it basically says this toothbrush contains over 10,000 bristles, providing gentle and deep cleaning. And they constantly change up their ads. This is one of the pages that is running ads. That's why you'll see that ads are 13 August and so on. They have multiple pages. These are just some of the ads that I actually found on my newsfeed doing extremely well from this particular page. The other pages, I still don't know. I still haven't found those other pages. Definitely will try to find them. And also here, this toothbrush feels amazing just with another picture. Also, that's something you can definitely do, is to test different coupon codes. So for example, they did save 10 and now they're doing save 15. You can do that with multiple of your ads. And also you can do different images on your retargeting ads. So you can do different videos for your cold targeting, for your interest targeting audiences, and then you can do different images for your retargeting audiences. That's definitely something I recommend my students to do a lot, and it's perfectly explained with this particular store. They're absolutely crushing it. Like I said, don't go and copy them. Model what they're doing and see the type of ads, the type of store that they're running, and definitely go with that strategy that I just talked about. If you want to run a one product store, one product dropshipping, you want to scale your store to 2,000 per day, just like Salvador, make sure to test a lot of products first and actually create a niche store, a store that is targeted to a particular audience. Test products with your ads, get better at ads, get more skilled, and then start a one product dropshipping store that you can then scale it up and then grow it from there. Now that you know what's the strategy to get results for your Shopify store, if you want to know what products to apply the strategy with and what are the best winning products to sell right now for your Shopify store, make sure to check the video that's going to pop up somewhere right here. The top 7 winning products to sell right now. If you want to learn directly from me and my team and really take your store to the next level, click that first link down in the description for our 5-day live training. Subscribe, hit that notification bell and that like button, and I will see you on the next video.